I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in a way, they got a proof. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit down, you gotta choose. I'm taking my smile, I'm doing food.
So most people ask us, how do you take care of a freshly coated car? So here we got David's car, 2 buckets. We got one with clean water and then 1 bucket with rinseless wash in it. What you do, you just soak up that first minute. Bring it up to the panel, and you'll see how it just beads right off. And as you keep going, you'll take that dirty mitt, clean water, right back, and you do it all around the car. And as you can see, 30 seconds, just did this whole side. Now all I have to do, grab my towel, just dry it off completely. All the other streak free, and just do that around the whole vehicle. 30 minutes, you're done.
Nice.
Get your car coated.